Our place sent me their Always pan for my review, and this has now quickly become my favorite pan. This thing is awesome. This is the 10.5 inch. It also comes in a smaller size and a larger size. This is the sage, but it does come in lots of different colors to choose from. A couple of the things that I just absolutely love is obviously the look of the pan itself, and you've got this great little wooden spoon right here that has a hole that will sit right here, because how many times have we just kind of like put our stirring utensil down, it has made a mess, or oftentimes I'll be like stirring something and then I like go and turn around and I wash it in the sink and just kind of put it in the drying rack, and then I'm like, where did I put that utensil? So the fact now that I can kind of just stir that, set it here on the side, and I know that it is always going to be there without making a mess is really awesome. The lid, of course, has a little notch here so that you can rest the lid on top with the wooden spoon there, and it can still close, which is really great. Of course, you can use this without the wooden spoon as well, so that is completely up to you. It does come with this great little steam basket as well. And the reason that they're calling this their Always pan is just because you can literally use it always for everything. This can actually be heated up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So of course that means that this is then oven safe. So it's really great to be able to, you know, go from oven to stove. I think I even read on the bottom here, this is good for gas, electric, and induction. So all stove types, this will definitely, you can use this on. And of course it is non-stick. So as you can see in the B-roll here, I'm just kind of, you know, stirring things around and nothing is sticking. It just slides off the pan. I've also made eggs on here. I do, of course, give it a little spray on the bottom, as I always do, but you don't need to load it down with like oil or butter or anything like that to make it non-stick. I think one of the most surprising things to me is that it is not super heavy. So it is aluminum. Every time I go to pick it up, I keep thinking that it's going to be like the weight of a Dutch oven, but it is not. It is so easy to just kind of grab and go, move it around the kitchen, which of course is something I love, because oftentimes when you see such beautiful looking pans like this, they are so heavy and you need two hands. But the fact that this one really light and again, just so beautiful looking, definitely versatile, and highly recommend.